Welcome back. When you hear about global leaders meeting in the Swiss Alps for the World Economic Summit, it can all feel, well, a little disconnected from our day-to-day lives. But believe it or not, what they talk about in Davos has a direct line to your wallet. So today, we're going to break down exactly how those high-level talks are shaping financial markets, and more importantly, what it all means for your money.
And just so you know, what we're about to get into is part 8 of our 10-part series. Every single insight we're covering today comes straight from a really detailed report by Virtualization Options LLC. It's all about what the 2026 Davos Summit means for all of us, for American businesses and consumers.
Which, of course, brings us to the big question, right? What on earth do a bunch of conversations in fancy mountain chalets have to do with your savings account or your 401k or your investments? Well, as we're about to see, the answer is a whole lot. The decisions made there literally send ripples through the entire global economy.
Here's how we're going to connect the dots today. First, we'll look at that direct link between Davos and your dollars. Then we'll dive into a huge trend called the green money shift. After that, we'll talk about how to handle the inevitable market turbulence. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with the one big takeaway you need for your financial strategy.
So, really, how does a summit way over in Switzerland actually move your money? Well, think of the financial markets as the economy's circulatory system. Capital, money, is the lifeblood, and the markets are what direct that blood to where it can fuel growth and innovation. The discussions at Davos, they're like a weather forecast for finance. They show us the big trends that are going to guide where all that money flows next.
And the first massive trend that the report flags is a fundamental change in where that money is going. It's being called the green money shift, and it's a whole new wave of investment that is completely reshaping the market landscape. Honestly, this is one of the biggest opportunities for investors that we've seen in a long time.
Now, at the heart of this huge shift is something called ESG investing. You've probably heard the term. ESG stands for Environmental, Social, and Governance. And the idea behind it is actually pretty simple. Investors are starting to look beyond just a company's bottom line. They're asking, what's its impact on the planet? How does it treat its employees and customers? Is it managed well? It's all about putting money into companies that do well by doing good.
And this creates this really powerful chain reaction. First, as more people get on board with ESG, trillions of dollars start pouring into companies that have strong sustainability practices. In fact, the report mentions a nearly 40% jump in ESG fund inflows in just the last couple of years. That immense financial pressure then pushes other companies to change their ways. They have to become more sustainable to attract that cash. And that, in turn, creates this whole new world of opportunities for investors. But okay, while this green money shift is creating some clearer pathways for investment, the Davos report also put a huge spotlight on a major challenge. The road ahead is getting a lot bumpier. So we need to talk about the other side of the coin, navigating the turbulence that all this global uncertainty is stirring up. This part is absolutely critical for your financial health.
So here's the bottom line, and the report is really clear on this. Global instability doesn't just stay in the news headlines. It directly translates into market volatility. Those wild swings right here at home. When tensions rise somewhere else in the world, big investors get nervous. They start selling stocks, markets drop, and because your retirement account is probably invested right there in those same markets, you see its value dip. That's volatility hitting your wallet.
Let's just put it side by side. In a stable world, markets are more predictable. That means lower risk for savers like us. But in this uncertain world they were talking about at Davos, we get way more volatility. And those are those stomach-churning ups and downs that can have a very real impact on your retirement accounts, making it so much harder to plan for the long term.
Okay, so we've got this massive opportunity with ESG on one hand, and this pretty significant threat from market volatility on the other. So what's the single most important thing to take away from all this? What's the essential strategy for you, whether you're a business owner, a saver, or an investor?
Let's just quickly recap the new reality we're in. We've got two huge forces pulling at the same time. A massive shift of money creating brand new opportunities in sustainable investing, and at the exact same time, a sharp rise in market volatility thanks to global uncertainty. You've got the opportunity and the threat sitting right next to each other. So how do you handle this new landscape? The report's core conclusion is right here. Risk management becomes essential, navigating uncertain markets. Now, I know risk management can sound like some vague financial jargon, but the report says it's about more than just having a diverse portfolio. It's about actively stress testing your investments against different global scenarios and making sure you are ready for the unexpected. And I really want to drive this point home. This is not just advice for big banks or Wall Street traders. This is the new playbook for American businesses trying to plan for the future,
for savers trying to protect their nest egg, and for absolutely anyone who has a retirement account. Asking what if and actually preparing for it, well, that's everyone's job now.
Which really brings us to the final thought I want to leave you with. We're living in a world defined by new risks, that's the market volatility, and a whole new set of rules, that's the ESG shift. So the really critical question you have to ask yourself is this: is my financial strategy actually ready for that future?
Everything we've talked about today comes directly from the in-depth analysis in the Davos 2026 Summit Report from Virtualization Options LLC. Thanks so much for joining us.